Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the driver's side door lock, cylinder door lock. If you have one on the passenger side, procedure will be the same, but not all of them will have one on the passenger side. So stay with us guys, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze guys and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. And why we do all that? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here guys. If you need to buy any tools or parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find parts for a super good price and fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you how to remove and replace the cylinder door lock now. So how you guys remove the door cylinder lock now guys? Okay, that's what I'm talking about right here. We need to open the door. Open your door guys, and when you open it you're going to notice that you have that black cap, rubber plastic cap here. So grab it and remove it guys, just pull it out. Perfect. Now on the inside, if you look right here, you're not going to see very good because ours is covered with grease, but you have guys a bolt. That bolt is with a Torx 20 star looking bit guys. So we clean it a little bit, that's where the bolt is. Now, let me show you what we are doing here. We start unscrewing, and while you're unscrewing, with the other hand, grab and start pulling that thing out. You will feel it come loose, guys, eventually. Not all at sudden, but it's getting loose. A little bit more. That's it. Don't go all the way because you don't want your screw to fall out. And as you can see, guys, the cylinder, door lock came out. Now, so right now guys, if you need to remove it, you just have a couple teeth that you need to disconnect. One here and one there. 3 teeth, and you can just remove the cover and install it on a new one. But you can see it just took us less than a minute to remove that thing. So if yours is damaged or need to be replaced, let's say you got a parts door and you need to install your original one, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.